Do you know this spoon? It is one of the most popular spoons which we use daily when we eat ice creams. It is a folded spoon. This automation system which we are assembling is automation system just to produce this spoon. The function of this system is to have the spoon folded, and here will pass through a conveyor and pass through the camera here. If the spoon is good quality, it is okay, will pass through to the other state. And if not good, it will be rejected. So this system will ensure that the spoon from picking to folding to the final packing here. This machine is to pack the qualified spoon after checking to be a chain which you can have it uploaded to your packing system to have the spoons assembled with the lid for your ice creams. This ice cream, for you to produce a chain spoon like this. Okay, see you.